Some people don't put this much effort into a heart monitoring machine. These are ridiculous, and nobody needs them. My money's there. They offer a catwalk for this if you feel like tap dancing back and forth across the front of your Jeep. It's definitely not there. You're gonna be here a while, you might have to claim asylum. But I guess it also could be here. I wanted to stay low and fat, thick, really nice. Not likely. Crisis averted. Everything lines up now. Guess we're gonna have to read the instructions. Does it go on like that? Or does it go on like this? This. Anybody remember how these go on? And you know what onions have? Onions have layers. Inside, outside, inside, outside, inside, outside, inside, outside. Okay, I'll go read the computer. All the holes have been painted, drilled, nut surted, screwed, tight and torqued. Okay, now 1 second. Calm your titties. If it's one thing I could tell you guys that might save you a lot of heartache in the future is always use protection. You can never have too many bottle openers because it'll get that day that you're just dying of thirst. I gotta go very big, but can't get that cap off the top of a nice. Is that gonna work? Nope, still not enough. Fuck. Mexican sugar loaded Coca-Cola. We're winging it. These are the Sumo bump stops. Let's not make too many fat jokes on why they're in my Jeep. Yeah, I beat you to it. Still need to go deeper. Dang it! Well, it's a good thing we've put together many, many Lego sets. You just want to see me grip it. Yep. Fuck my life. Matt, whoa, where are you going? Jesus! Getting rid of the plastic bumpers that they have shamed us with on these Willys. Continue swearing. This is a swear-free zone down here. Well, don't use your shoulder. Use all wrist action. We're all about Zen. Sorry, what? Are you fucking broken? And fucking cat grass and shit? You haven't seen Beatles? It came out in 1942 when you were born. Yep, still not metric. Fucking people. What's that?
Yeah, something, sir.
More oh God, those are big nutserts again. We're just gonna start on the floor like we're doing it at our garage at home after a few beers and friends are helping or not helping, watching. So it's a Toyota part, so it must be reliable. So that's great. It used to have a camera right here, but we relocated the camera down here into the bumper. So this allows you to sneak up on people and spy on them from a lower vantage point. I have an idea now. I need some tools. Well, I guess we're putting in these dinosaur rib nutserts that are literally could hold a battleship together. We're always eating around here. It's a problem. You don't have a hole. That's excellent news, Mike. We don't have a hole. That's awesome. Well, the forklift, Toyota didn't make the rubber hydraulic hoses. So I can't really blame Toyota for hydraulic hoses, I guess. And it's age. You have to do maintenance. Realistically, it didn't break, it just needed maintenance.
What is that, about a 3-inch circumcision? Yeah, about that, about 3 inches off.
The truck is Jewish? Okay. See, that was easy enough you could do it at home with a hoist, a mic, a hammer, and a bunch of tools. So just remember, guys, everything aftermarket doesn't always fit with everything else. Now, can I fit it in here? Oh, yeah, I can. We're circumcising the bed of the truck. It's not working according to plan here. Gotta say, the Baconator's got pretty tasty bacon, but I find it to be too much of a sandwich. Fuck, is that tight? Let's see. Wow, we'll have to see when driving it. Probably drive me insane. We are so close. So close! If they don't find you handsome, at least they'll find you handy. Tell us your thoughts. Tell us your deepest secrets. Hell, tell us your fantasies. We don't care. Fucking donkey fucking a coconut. I don't know what's going on here. What the hell? Come on. Okay, there. Okay, I get it. We're bringing it down so we can check the VIN number, verify this is the right truck that was here for this.
Yeah. It has the VIN.
That's the VIN. Excellent. It looks black. Close enough. What was it called? Sweet potato mash. Ken does an amazing one that is like dessert.
I don't have any energy. I haven't eaten yet. Let's see here.
Even though it's an aluminum and it won't rust, you still want to paint the exposed metal. Technically, we're basically gold miners up here, and we have a ton of gold sitting on the floor. Did we lube it? Can we lube it? I find Fords tend to be more designed for the larger individual. Flat rate, buddy. Only so much time in the day. And I am now one of them. So I know they always say, you know, it's all about the size of your drawers, but it's on like Donkey Kong, Costco. I assure you, it'll be more about my organization. It's so long that we installed an intercom system so he can talk to people at the back of the truck in case he's at the front of the truck. Sorry, got distracted there. If you have a good enough plan A, you don't have to buy plan B. Ready when you are. Ow! What? Yeah, just look pretty.
It's a red thing. What's the red thing for? You don't need the red thing. What is the red thing for? You don't need the red thing.
Oh, well, I like the red thing.
It's...
Alright, go ready.
Good. Jesus Christ, are you even see me in the camera? The camera's looking over there. Good that you read. It makes you smarter. And the main reason it's here is because Metalcloak thought their brand wasn't being represented enough.
Yeah.
Holy fuck, why does that not pop out? Skin on or off. So they had to put some more gold on the outside that people that drive by you would see and wonder what that is.
Skin on, buddy. Skin, all the nutrients are in the skin, man.
Interesting. I'm not talking about potatoes.
Well, it depends on your religious views on that one, I think.
I told you like stickers.